Hi guys, in today's video I'm here to share Nykaa's newest and the most awaited launch, which is mascaras, and they have launched 3 of their mascaras, all for like different purposes. So I'm here to review or give my first impressions on these mascaras. I haven't used them, but I'm gonna try it in front of you guys and let you guys know if it's worth buying or not. So if you guys are new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We recently hit 3K subscribers, which is incredible. I'm so happy and grateful for you guys. So please don't forget to hit that notification button as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Please subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. So this is how the Nykaa Lash Talk mascaras look like. I have all 3 of them and you guys can see the packaging looks so cute. Like they have really nice, vibrant and bright colors. So I really like the packaging. It reminds me of Maybelline mascaras and they're priced very similarly as well. So the first one that they have is the Nykaa Curl Power Curling Mascara. This is how it looks like. The second one is Nykaa Like It Long Lengthening Mascara, and this is how it looks like. And the third and the last one is the Nykaa Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara. So you guys can see I'm not wearing any mascara right now because I'm gonna try it in front of you guys. So out of all of these 3, I usually really like volumizing mascaras, but I do have a lot of other volumizing mascaras, so I think I'm gonna keep this one for a giveaway. So today I think I'm gonna try the lengthening mascara first. So first let's talk about the claims that the mascara makes. I'm gonna read it out to you guys. So the formula is waterproof, it's non-clumping, it's non-flaking and it does not smudge as well. It is an intense black color, which we'll see, and the mascara has a unique brush that coats the lashes from roots to the tip. And also it is long lasting impact, gives you feathery soft lashes, and it's easy to rinse off. Let's see if it's easy to take off, because when I'm testing a new mascara, I think that's the one thing that I really see if the mascara is easy to take off. Because if it's not easy to take off, then I'm probably not going to use that mascara a lot. So let's see about that. And also it's vegan, paraben free, cruelty free and waterproof. So I know that a lot of people love waterproof mascaras, but I'm honestly not a big fan of them because waterproof mascaras are not very easy to remove. But let's see if this one is easy or not. Also these mascaras are exclusively available on Nykaa.com and I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. And now let's get started with a demo. So firstly I'm gonna try and attempt to take the plastic off, which is always so difficult and annoying.
A few moments later.
So this is how the lengthening mascara looks like. This is how the wand looks like. I don't think I have a mascara which has a wand like this. It's very different. You guys can see like this is definitely gonna add some length and volume as well. That's what I can tell just by looking at the wand. So firstly, you guys know that I always curl my lashes with a lash curler, but it makes a huge difference when you don't curl your lashes with this. So I'm gonna curl my lashes on one eye and I'm gonna just use the mascara by itself on the other eye, and you guys can see the effect that it gives, because I know a lot of people don't use lash curlers. I started using them a couple of months ago and I really like it. So I'm curling my lashes on this eye. There's like a huge difference in both of my lashes. You guys can see this one looks so much more lifted. So yeah, that's the difference that a lash curler makes. So I'm gonna apply the mascara on this eye first. Okay, I don't see this mascara clumping at all, which is a great thing. So this is how the mascara on this eye looks like, and honestly I think it looks really beautiful. It reminds me of the Lotus Botanical mascara that I have. It's not very volumizing, which is something that I wasn't expecting. I was expecting this mascara to be a little volumizing. And when I added the second coat, you guys can see it is becoming a little bit clumpy over here. But you can always fix that. Also applying this on my bottom lashes. So this is how the mascara on one eye looks like, and I honestly really like it. I loved the first coat of the mascara. The second one made it a little clumpy, so I had to go in with my spoolie and just separate my lashes like this. But I think overall my lashes really look great, and it's a great mascara to use on an everyday basis. So yeah, there's nothing really bad about this mascara, but I honestly like instantly compare any mascara to my Maybelline mascara. I have used so many Maybelline mascaras and I just think they're so budget friendly and the formula is great. Those are like literally the best drugstore mascaras, so I always like naturally compare it to Maybelline mascaras. And if I compare it to them, if a Maybelline mascara is 10 on 10, then this one is definitely an 8 on 10, which is honestly not bad. This mascara is really great and it makes my lashes look visible at least. Otherwise my lashes are not even visible at all. Also, one thing that I forgot to tell you guys, that this mascara feels very lightweight. Some really heavy mascaras definitely give you a headache. I've heard people complaining that mascaras give them a headache and they feel very heavy on the lashes. So this one definitely does not do that. I don't even feel like I have a mascara on. Now let's move on to the second eye. One thing that I noticed about this mascara is that the more you go in your lashes again and again, the more it starts to like stick your lashes together. Like it does not separate your lashes really well. It does help with lengthening a lot. Considering that it's a lengthening mascara, it does like lengthen my lashes really well, but it does not separate my lashes really well. I hope it makes sense. Like it's not volumizing. Now I'm just gonna use this on my bottom lashes. So this is how both of my lashes look like, and honestly like this has happened for the first time, but I don't really see a difference in the curled side and the non-curled side. I think they both look really beautiful. Is it just me, or do you guys also think that one pair of your lashes are like perfect for mascaras and the other pair of your lashes just never look as good as this pair of lashes? I don't know if I'm making sense, but this is what I've always thought. I think this pair of lashes are just so perfect, and this side, I think this one hair just always falls down and it just never gets curled. I don't know why, but let me know if you guys relate to that. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys think one pair of your lashes are perfect and the other one is just not. So I'm just gonna show you guys the wand of the curling mascara also. Just as expected, this one has angled brush and this is how it looks like. So it's meant to hold that curl on your lashes. So this is how the wand of the curling lash looks like. So coming on to the price of these mascaras, the lengthening and the volumizing mascaras retail for 399 rupees each, and the curling mascara retails for 349 rupees. So I really like the price point of these mascaras. They're super affordable and they're definitely like priced around the Maybelline mascaras only. They're priced like very similarly to those. So there's definitely no harm in trying these mascaras. I loved this one that I tried today. It did not give me a lot of volume, but it definitely gave me a lot of length and it curled my lashes really well. So I think it's a great drugstore mascara. Do give it a try if you can. I'm gonna leave a link of the product in the description box below. So this is it for today's video. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.